Do you want to find a way to bring some excitement, wonder, and just really some joy into your homeschool day? Well, I have a perfect solution for you, and it is right outside your door. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build experiences in your homeschool that your children will take with them for years to come. Why is nature study essential to homeschooling? Well, there are actually a few reasons, and the first is that nature study fosters a love of learning. It introduces our children to the natural world, and the thing about God's creation is that it's full of things we just don't know. We don't know the answers, we don't know what things are, we don't know why they do things. So there is just an insatiable curiosity that gets illuminated as we study God's world through nature study. And this natural curiosity is actually foundational to our children having a lifelong love of learning. And you can actually get a sneak peek into the nature guides that I have prepared. Check the link in the description to download your free sample. Second, nature study provides real-life learning opportunities. When we study nature, we're not just learning about science, we're learning about geography, we're learning about history, we're learning about how things work. We get to learn about how everything is interconnected. It goes back to Charlotte Mason's idea of the science of relations. And nature study is such a tangible, tactile way to introduce those ideas. So number 3 is that nature study provides us a sense of calmness and also allows us to get recentered. It is such a healthy habit for our children to give them for their life. As homeschoolers, it's really easy to get bogged down in our schedule and getting the laundry done and getting the meals on the table and all the hustle and bustle that goes along with just normal family life. But when we go outside and take a moment, we can join with the people that have come before us and remember our place. Remember how small we are and how big God is. Being outside in nature brings us restoration. There have even been studies that show it helps alleviate stress and also help us cope with stress. And of course, just the normal comings and goings of any normal human life is stressful. And so we do need to learn how to cope. And nature is one of God's easy, free stress relievers. So there you go. There are 3 reasons that nature study is essential for homeschoolers. It fosters a love of learning. It provides real-life learning opportunities. And then finally, it gives us a sense of calm and an ability really to be fortified against the stresses of a normal life. And the best part is it's totally free. And it's very easy to incorporate into your daily homeschool routine. I'm going to leave you with a poem by William Wordsworth, and it is from Tables Turned. Come forth into the light of things, let nature be your teacher. She has a world of ready wealth, our minds and hearts to bless. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to get started with nature study. Until then, get outside and soak up some of that vitamin D and start learning the names of some of those plants that just happen to be living outside your door. Thanks so much for watching.